If there's one thing I really admire about you, Chief, is your clearness of vision and your determination really to get it. In my 28 years in PAO, every lawyer, 160 and all 50 non-lawyer personnel in Region 6 will really agree with me that if there's one thing that really improved the PAO is your determination to be able to pass that PAO law. Because when I entered PAO way back in 1996, the salary, the office, supply, everything is really second class, and we are not really at par with other government agency. And no matter how hard the work, the fact that we remember that because of the PAO law, there was really that huge improvement. So we really admire that. And that's one lesson I learned, that if you really want something and you believe that it is right, then against all odds, as long as you have determination, you can really get it. So that's one thing that I really admire and I really learn. And I'm really thankful that in spite of my going to my sunset years in the PAO, I learned so much. On behalf of the lawyers, Region 6, as well as the staff, we really want to greet you happy birthday. If there's one prayer that I want really to pray, it's really for your good health. Because no matter how grand is your dream or whatever your plan is in the future, as long as you are healthy, then there's the possibility that you will be able to get it. So we'll pray for your good health, long life, and that happiness that is really full and earth-shaking. Happy birthday, Chief.